Hello, this is Olivia. Today I would like to recommend our 4x2 Isuzu refrigerated truck. This truck is equipped with an Isuzu engine, 120 horsepower, and an Isuzu 5-speed gearbox. With an abundant power, it can also carry more and run faster when fully loaded with goods. The wheelbase is 3360, 7.00 tires, 2.5 tons front axle, 4.8 tons rear axle, stronger load-bearing capacity. The box is 4.1 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and 2.1 meters height. The box has a volume of 18 cubic meters and a thickness of 8 centimeters. It has very good thermal insulation performance. The refrigeration machine is Carrier brand with fast cooling speed and adjustable temperature. The cab is also fully functional with air conditioning, central locking, electric windows. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact me.